Hello everyone, so this is my very first hair tutorial. So you guys know my hair is super short, it's like a little afro and it's actually starting to grow. But so this hair company actually reached out to me and they wanted me to try their hair wig. So I'm going to be trying this hair wig in the video. I'm going to show you guys the wig right here. This is the hair, this is the wig. It's actually a lace front. This is it right here. And it's about medium length. It's frizzy now, but you can actually, it's 100% human hair. So you can straighten it, wash it. You can even dye it, which I might do, but I'm not sure. But anyway, so for this video, I'm going to be doing like basically a hair tutorial. And this is my first time too. So yeah, it's exciting. But so just be patient, stay tuned. And I'm going to be taking you guys through my hair tutorial video. This is a super cute like little bag it came in. DY Hair. This is the company that I got it from. Shout out to them. Super cool. And it also came with these beautiful, gorgeous lashes. Look at that. So beautiful. It came with some lashes. I'm like, okay. It was a nice little surprise when it came in the bag. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the wig. So on all sides of the hair, it's basically pretty much lace. So I'm going to be putting it on my head and trimming it. And I also got to be super glue. It's hair glue, but it's super glue. And I've seen all the ladies using this for the lace front, and it's basically invisible styling gel. And also, when you get the hair online from their website, they have like, you can measure it like the circumference of your head and just get it fitted for your head. And I really didn't know this shit for my head, which is, my head is probably huge, but I didn't know it. And this one, I got the adjustable cap because I didn't really know the shape of the size of my head. So this is the adjustable bands and stretchy. And then it comes with like little things you can attach them to. And this is my first time with a lace front wig, so I'm super excited. I have other wigs, but other wigs are really annoying because it's like they're heavy, and then in the front it doesn't look like a real wig. And that's the thing I like about lace fronts is that it has that natural look, like no one would even know you're wearing a wig or all that. So I'm going to just straighten it first. And then I'm going to cut it and do all that. A little bit of argan oil. It doesn't dye it all the way. Just a little argan oil and it smells delicious. So yeah, I'm just going to straighten it. The hair is straightened. And it's so pretty, it's so soft, I love it. It's gorgeous. First, I'm gonna put some baby hairs out though. So now I just cut some baby hairs, so it'll give it that more natural look. I'm a little weirdo. So now I'm just slicking my baby hairs, so I have some. And like I said, it gives it that more natural look. So now I got my baby hairs all cut and set. You can see them here a little bit. So now I'm gonna cut the wig. So now I'm gonna cut the lace on the wig all around, and then I'm gonna glue it. And when you're cutting it, you always want to leave a little room because you still have to glue it on. So now it's cut all the way around. So now I just gotta take it off and then apply the glue. And then I should be all set to go. Well, you just scared the living crap out of me, Joel.
I mean, just be me on in here. You shouldn't be scared.
Are you still
You put it on your real hair?
No, you just put it on the edge of your thing.
And then you take your real hair off?
No, it's just styling gel. It's not like eyelash glue or anything. Okay, so the glue finally stick to the lace, so now I'm about to just blow dry it and make sure everything's secure. So now the lace is glued on. Now I'm about to slick my baby hairs so it looks cute because my hairs are everywhere. Okay guys, I am finally done and my hair looks great. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. But anyways, so I'm done with the video and I hope you guys like this hair. Shout out to Dyhair for sponsoring my hair. Man, you guys gotta go to their website. I will provide a link down below. You guys can go check out their hair. They have a bunch of cool hair on their website. We got a bunch of lace front wigs. They got long hair, short hair. They got different color hairs. And yeah, shout out to them, man. My hair looks great. I highly recommend it. It feels awesome and it even looks so natural. I look like a natural. But anyways guys, thanks for watching.